Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation on computers in elementary classrooms. Younger kids and computers. Computers can boost the excitement to learn. Students can learn at their own pace. Students will have the opportunity to exceed in basic learning areas. The excitement with computers. Computers develop curiosity in children. Children will learn to have an appreciation for computers and their ability to use them. Different games and activities on the computer will be exciting to the kids while having them learn at the same time. Keeping on pace. Computer practice can have a student repeat an activity. Studies shows that when children can repeat an activity, they learn to back up and fix their own mistakes. This will allow students to learn at their own pace. Students who need a little boost. Students with dyslexia can use computers to help with extra reading practices. It is easy for them to fall back in class when extra resources are not available. Computers will allow students who need a little boost to practice as much as needed to keep on track with the grade level. Can the computers become a distraction? It could be harder for teachers to make sure all students are always on task. Not all students could be learning effectively, as the internet is the gateway to cheating on assignments. Ads, pop-ups, and tempting games on the internet could be a bigger distraction in the class. Using computers could take away human interaction necessary to learn basic communication skills. Down to the basics. Being on a computer involves a lot of reading, just one basic skill the students can benefit from at an early age. Younger kids can learn basic computer skills that are needed for the workplace. Teachers' core curriculum can be enhanced through online activities on the computer, meaning math, reading, and writing. There are pros and cons to computers that are easily debatable. Hopefully this presentation was able to show you some of the pros while giving you a glimpse at a couple of the cons to this technology issue. Thank you.